I'm sorry Oliver couldn't be here tonight. I was up here before and I forgot to thank somebody very important to me, and that's my wife. And seeing it's Valentine's Day, I want to thank my wife Geraldine and my two kids, Jerry and Ruby, who are at home, twins, and to say thank you for letting me do what I want to do. And no, really, it's a real pleasure. And I have to say, it's been a pleasure. I met Brian Keenan earlier on, and I met Dara, and it's been an absolute pleasure to be nominated along with three other wonderful documentaries. And long may documentaries continue in Ireland. Thank you very much.
And on behalf of our whole production team, I'd like to thank Micheál Shiacrú, Owen Rowe, David Ryan, Mick Mahan, Richard Kendrick, Niamh Maher, and thank you to Kevin Dawson, BCI, and Maurice Sweeney. Thanks very much.